Welcome to One Spot, your go-to channel for speed, innovation, and the world's most iconic machines. From high-revving classics to futuristic electric marvels, we bring you the best in automotive performance and design. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a car that redefines everything we thought we knew about electric driving. This is the Porsche Taycan. The Porsche Taycan isn't just an electric car, it's a Porsche first and foremost. That means precision, performance, and passion built into every line and every drive. From the moment you lay eyes on the Taycan, you know it's something special. Its design is futuristic, but clearly carries the DNA of Porsche's heritage. The wide stance, low-slung silhouette, and curved front fenders echo the legendary 911, while the smooth lines and aerodynamic touches bring it into the electric era with confidence. Up front, the Taycan sports a clean, sculpted hood that dips low between those signature LED matrix headlights. The side profile is sleek and powerful, with retractable door handles that blend into the body for aerodynamic efficiency. Around back, a full-width light bar connects the taillights, creating a distinctive look that glows beautifully at night. Whether it's the sedan-like Taycan or the more versatile Taycan Cross Turismo or Sport Turismo models, every variant makes a bold visual statement. Inside the cabin, the Taycan is pure luxury fused with cutting-edge tech. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, you're greeted by a futuristic cockpit that's minimalist, yet full of functionality. There's a curved 16.8-inch digital instrument cluster directly in front of the driver, and to the right, a 10.9-inch infotainment display. Optional extras include a passenger display and a lower center console touchscreen for climate and vehicle settings. The materials are premium throughout: leather, brushed aluminum, and even sustainable options like race techs and recycled materials that still feel ultra-high-end. But the real story of the Taycan is performance. This isn't just another electric car, it's a true Porsche. The Taycan is available in several trims, each offering a different level of excitement. The base model comes with a single motor and rear-wheel drive, delivering around 402 horsepower, and 0 to 60 in just 5.1 seconds. Step up to the 4S and you get dual motors, all-wheel drive, and up to 522 horsepower with overboost and launch control. Then there's the Taycan Turbo and Turbo S, which push the limits of what electric cars can do. The Turbo delivers 670 horsepower, while the Turbo S cranks out an incredible 750 horsepower with launch control, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. That kind of acceleration is instantaneous and smooth thanks to the electric drivetrain. There's no lag, no shifting, just pure, uninterrupted thrust. And unlike most electric vehicles, the Taycan features a 2-speed rear transmission, an engineering first in the EV world. This helps deliver both neck-snapping acceleration and high-speed cruising efficiency, something that sets the Taycan apart from its competitors. Handling is exactly what you'd expect from Porsche. The Taycan is built on an 800-volt electrical architecture, which not only allows for ultra-fast charging but also helps keep the weight low and balanced. With adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring, rear axle steering, and Porsche's active suspension management system, the Taycan handles corners like a sports car. It's tight, responsive, and confidence-inspiring, even when you're pushing the limits. Steering feel is precise. The ride is composed, and despite being an electric vehicle, the Taycan truly drives like a Porsche should. Charging and range are always important topics with electric vehicles, and Porsche has tackled both intelligently. Thanks to the 800-volt system, the Taycan can charge from 5 to 80% in just over 20 minutes using a DC fast charger. Range varies depending on the model and wheels you choose, but it generally falls between 200 to 275 miles per charge. While that might not match some longer-range EVs, Porsche focuses on consistent real-world performance and repeatable acceleration, something few other EVs can offer at this level. Porsche has also built a strong charging network in collaboration with Electrify America, giving Taycan drivers access to hundreds of high-speed chargers across the country. With intelligent range management and energy recovery through regenerative braking, the Taycan is not just about raw power, it's also smart and efficient. In terms of features, the Taycan comes loaded. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, 360-degree cameras, parking sensors, and even a head-up display are all available. The infotainment system is quick and intuitive, with natural voice commands, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and more. Over-the-air updates mean your Taycan continues to evolve and improve over time. And with a digital key, you can unlock and start your car using just your phone. There are also plenty of personalization options. You can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, interior trims, wheel designs, and performance packages. Whether you want a sporty look with carbon fiber and black accents or a luxurious vibe with wood trim and soft leathers, Porsche lets you make your Taycan truly your own. Then there's the sound. While it may not have the roar of a V8, the Taycan features Porsche electric sport sound, an engineered, futuristic audio experience that gives the car a unique presence and auditory personality. It's subtle, yet powerful, blending the future of electric mobility with the emotional feel of performance driving. Every element of the Taycan has been thought through. From the engineering to the aesthetics, this car proves that going electric doesn't mean sacrificing thrill, identity, or passion. In fact, it might be the purest expression of Porsche's ethos yet. Engineering precision, performance excellence, and timeless design, wrapped in an electric package that points to the future. The Porsche Taycan isn't just a new chapter for the brand. It's a bold statement that electric vehicles can be fast, beautiful, luxurious, and still have soul. Whether you're cruising down the highway, carving through corners, or pulling into a charging station, the Taycan delivers an experience that's as refined as it is exhilarating. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the Porsche Taycan here on One Spot. If you love high-performance machines, groundbreaking technology, and sleek design, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more amazing cars and innovations coming your way. See you in the next one.